Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is going up 0.29% while the entire stock market tanked today. The S&P minus 2.88%, Nasdaq minus 3.36%. This is crazy. Tesla is one of the few stocks that are actually going up along with, well, VIX and yields. Okay, so this is extremely crazy, but the situation is quite interesting. Is Tesla a good buy right now or not? Well, we'll try to answer this question in this video. Just remember my friends, subscribe at this channel if you want to keep in touch with my daily analysis, and please click on the like button to support this channel. Now, if you want to trade with me and become a consistent, profitable swing trader, subscribe at our trading newsletter. You know what? My entire performance is public, so I will let my performance speak by itself. Not even Tesla can beat us, alright? We have been beating Tesla since 2021 almost 3 times. So more than 3 times, to be honest with you guys. So yes, our performance is amazing. You may check every single one of my previous trades on my website. The link to it is in the description of this video. Join us if you want to make money consistently. Now, Tesla right now, is it a good buy? It could be, alright? It could. Right now, I can't say it is a buy because it's not confirming anything. When we look in the daily chart, for instance, we see only black candles. I agree that it's crazy. It is very weird because we see 3 black candles and they're all doing the same thing, right? It seems Tesla is not moving at all. It seems it is moving sideways. If we analyze in the 1-hour chart, we see that it dropped a lot because of yesterday's news, right? Thanks to Elon, thanks to Twitter and etc. It crashed. Right now we are going up, unlike the rest of the market, so this is crazy. I will be honest with you guys. Yesterday, as I told you guys on our video, I was expecting for Tesla to drop because the indices were supposed to drop. And they did, right? The S&P hit the 42.99, the previous resistance. We are dropping. Okay, that's not a big surprise at all. The Nasdaq Index almost hit our resistance level. It filled this gap over here, right? Which is another resistance. And it dropped, okay, to the surprise of no one over here. We are dropping today. I firmly believe Tesla would follow the indices because that's what Tesla does, right? It follows the indices. However, today it's given us a very nice surprise. It's a happy surprise, of course. But technically speaking, Tesla also hit its previous resistance, $918, which is the most important resistance. And I told you guys on yesterday's video, it is on my thumbnail, 918. We must break this resistance level for good and close above it. Not only violate this resistance quickly to drop again. No, I'm talking about a real close above this resistance level. Preferably after we do a crystal clear bullish structure. Right now, could Tesla build a bullish structure? Yes, it could. Because as far as I know, Tesla is dropping because it hit its resistance. It couldn't break it. Now we are dropping to fill this gap over here, 885. We already filled this little gap. Now, it is supposed to find a support level over here. If we use Fibonacci, we have many retracements to work with. Maybe it's going to stop dropping at the 50% right now where it is, or maybe it's going to seek the 61.8% retracement, meaning Tesla could drop, still could drop more, all the way down to $864. And this still could be a very nice bullish reversal chart pattern, because what Tesla needs to do is to break the $918. After it does a higher high, higher low. If it does this, it will trigger a bullish pivot point. In that case, well, I see no other meaningful resistance. Maybe the $1,000 area is going to work as a resistance. Maybe, right? It is a secondary point. But the next clear resistance is 1087. Okay, this little gap over here, this point over here, which was our previous target. Okay, so maybe Tesla will just retest this point, meaning it has plenty of upside potential. Let's see. From here, we are talking about 24% upside potential roughly. This is totally plausible. And the reaction right now would be great because Tesla would do this. Another bullish structure that Tesla could build is an inverted head and shoulders chart pattern. If it triggers this chart pattern, well, again, Tesla will most likely fly. Personally speaking, I am not trading Tesla right now. Again, if you want to trade with me, subscribe our trading newsletter. But if Tesla triggers a nice buy, I will promptly warn you guys in this channel. I will make it a public call in this channel again, right? So I think Tesla will not drop more, in my humble opinion. Again, just as a retail trader, I am just a normal guy, right? I'm not an institutional investor. I'm just a Brazilian trader who likes to trade US stocks. And right now, it feels like we hit the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. We could not lose this point. Yes, yesterday we briefly violated the support level, but we recovered amazingly well, closing above it. So this is clearly a very important support level. The S&P is just above the support level of this neckline in the weekly chart. If it loses this point, and the volume is quite low, honestly, so I don't believe it will, but if it does, then the situation will be extremely catastrophic for everyone over here, okay? The market will turn bearish for good, and probably Tesla will be dragged down as well. The Nasdaq Index also has a similar configuration, right? We are just above a very important support level. March 2021 support level, we are back to more than 1 year price-wise. So hardly this is going to happen. I'm not working with this scenario right now. I don't believe the market will lose these support levels. What's more, if Tesla, this is the good news for long-term investors in Tesla. Tesla is just at the 61.8% retracement. If it does a positive week next week, personally speaking, I do believe Tesla is going to try to trigger a bullish pivot point in the weekly chart. Okay? It's going to do this, meaning it will most likely break this purple trend line and probably break the 1208, probably seeking next resistances, which maybe is this green line, which is near the 1400s, I believe, roughly. So as a long-term investor, I think we should be just okay. It is just a hold. If you want to add positions, right now seems to be a good time to add positions in order to improve, I don't know, your cost basis. If you want to just add positions because you believe in the long-term perspective in Tesla, I think now is a very good time for that. Very good time. And short, mid-term speaking, I think we should wait for a true breakout of $918 before we can call it a buy again. I will keep you guys updated every single day on this. So again, remember, subscribe to this channel, trade with me, subscribe our trading newsletter for an amazing performance. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great weekend.